What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have an install video for you guys. It's actually going to be on my reverse lights here. So I don't know if you guys seen my tail light tinting video, but I did mention that I wanted to upgrade these from the halogens to new white LEDs. So I actually reached out to LASFIT on Instagram, and they got back to me, and we partnered up, and they sent me these license plate and reverse lights. So that's what we're going to be working on today. It may not be a full, step-by-step video, but it's just going to be a comparison showing you guys the old halogens versus the new white LEDs. So thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it. All right, so basically you just need a T15 bit to remove these screws right here. I believe it's a T15 or 17. I'll leave it down below. But basically you're just going to remove these. I kind of loosened them up already. And once you have that off, you can pull your tail light off. Like that. Alright, so with these, it's kind of hard. You don't want to break anything. So you're just going to pull straight out. Same with the top. And that's it, guys. They come right out. So now, I'll bring you guys closer so you can see. That's the reverse light there, and that's what powers, your LEDs, the braking lights and stuff like that. So pretty much, we're just gonna take this. You're just gonna twist it like that, and there's your bulb. Now you can just kind of leave this hanging there. Just try not to scratch anything. All right, guys. So once you remove your old halogen, you get your new bulb, and you just press it in, just like that, and you'll hear it snap in there. And then all you have to do now, you just replace it right back in there. You got to kind of find that groove where it goes in, just like that. And then you twist this and it locks right in place. And then that's it, guys. You're done. Same thing, repeat the process on the other side. I'm going to show you guys, basically I'm going to show you guys how it works before I actually put this together. Because like I mentioned, these things go only one way. So I don't want to put the whole thing together and then you have to pull it out and reverse the process basically. So let's test it out real quick. I'm going to leave it like this right here. I'm going to go throw it in reverse so you guys can see it work. As you guys can see, it came on. Everything's fine. I don't have to flip it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You seen the lights working. So you just put your tail light back on, snap everything back in place, just like that. And that's it. You put your screws back on and you're good to go. So I'm going to repeat the process on this side. Basically the same thing. And that's it, guys. Now we have white LEDs. For the license plate lights, there's your connection. So you're just going to go in here, same process as you did the reverse lights. You're going to twist to your left, and then your light bulb is just going to pop right out. And there you can see it there. So it's kind of hard for one hand, but you're just basically going to pull your bulb out just like that. There's the bulb there. And then you're going to replace it with your brand new bulb. Same thing. Also, you're just going to snap it in place. With these ones, you can turn your lights on and you can see the LED working. That way you don't have to run back. But yeah, guys, super easy with this one as well. Once you replace the bulb, you just snap it back in place and you're good to go. Alright, guys, so we have the LEDs installed on this side, and also down below I have the new one installed right there on the right side. So now we're just going to wait till nighttime. I'm going to show you guys a real quick comparison on both of them, and then later on I'll go ahead and switch out, the other two new ones.
Many hours later.
Alright, guys, so there's the difference. As you can see, on the right side is the new LASFIT LED, and right here we have the old halogen. Night and day difference. You can see how far the light goes up here and this one. Also, on the license plate, there's the two right there. So we got the lights installed. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on now. Give it a minute. And there they are. So as you can see, both of them are really bright. Down here we have the license plate lights. Again, super bright. So as I mentioned, I'll leave the link down below in the description for you guys if you want to pick up a set of these lights for yourself. Also, a lot of different vehicles you guys can choose from, so it's not just, you know, Chevy. So yeah, you guys check them out. Again, links down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.